Hi, good morning students. Today we are going to study one important topic from polynomials. It is very important. Okay, that is factors of a polynomial. What is the meaning of factor? When a term becomes a factor of another term, we learned the factorization long division method or finding the factor, finding the prime factorization, everything in the smaller classes. No? So when a number is a factor of another number, for example, two numbers 10 and 5. Is there factors? Yes, they are factors. How it is factor means 5 is a factor of 10. No. How it is becoming a factor? When we divide 10 by 5, the remainder is 0. It means that time 5 is a factor of 10. It means when a number is divided by another number, if the remainder is 0, then it is called a factor. No. Similarly, in our polynomial also. P of x is a polynomial of degree n and g of x is another polynomial. When we divide, if p of g of x less than p of x. So, okay, when we divide p of x by g of x, definitely we get a quotient q of x and a remainder r of x. Now we come to a point. If the remainder r of x is equal to 0, then g of x is a factor of p of x. Now, what is that? Repeat all of you. When the remainder r of x is equal to 0, then g of x is called a factor of p of x. Now, repeat one more time. When the remainder r of x is equal to 0, then g of x is a factor of p of x. That you have to write in your notebook. Okay friends, now we can discuss one question. Now, check whether x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. It is a factor means what should get remainder? We should get the remainder 0. No. Okay, it is given p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30 and g of x is equal to x minus 2. We are doing the long division method. We learned it already in the previous classes. Now, so after doing the long division method, check the remainder. What's the remainder? We are getting the remainder 0. It means our x minus 2 is a factor of the given p of x. Okay, now you have to do it. Don't copy direct. Just to do the process, write the steps and do the process that we already learned. Okay, that therefore our conclusion. What is our conclusion? Therefore, x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. Okay guys. Okay students. We can find one question. Okay. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Two ways we can apply this one. First one, like the long division method. The second method, applying the factor theorem. Okay. Both we have to apply here. Both the method we are learning. So first method, long division method. This given p of x equal to kx square minus 3x plus k. Now, and g of x equal to x minus 1. We are dividing long division method. So, kx square minus 3x plus k divided by x minus 1. The normal division. Okay. Step 1. First term by first term. No, kx square by x. X. What is? You have to write and check. Okay. Kx square by x is equal to kx. Now kx should multiply here. Now, so kx into x, kx square minus kx into 1, kx. Okay. Now what we have to do? Change the sign and adding. Now minus, this minus become plus. So kx square get to cancel. This is minus 3x plus kx. No, minus 3x plus kx. how it is minus 3x plus kx means we can write x is the common factor. So how can we write minus 3 plus k into x? No, we have taken the common factor outside. Now again, now which is term is remaining plus k is remaining, that we wrote here. This plus k comes here. The second term is this one up to here, the second term. This is the third term, we wrote k term. Okay. Now again, first term by first term. First term is minus 3 plus k into x. So first term by first term, definite x will get cancelled. Now, so what is getting here? Plus, here two terms are there. So what should write? We should write bracket. Okay, now we are multiplying. Now you have to multiply and get it. Okay, minus 3 plus k into x. How much? Minus 3x. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x, k into minus 1, sorry, k into x, kx plus kx. The first, this one by the first term. Okay, minus 3 plus k into x, we are getting this one. Then minus 3 plus k into 1, how much? Minus of bracket 3 plus minus 3 plus k. Okay, plus into minus, minus. Minus 3 plus k into 1, minus 3 plus k. That is where you have to put the bracket. Okay. Now changing the sign, adding, here the process minus. Only this sign is changing, the sign will not change. So what is here? This minus become plus. So how we will get here k? These two are the constant term, there is no x. So these two are coming in one group. So k minus 3 plus k. This is the common negative sign that we change to positive. Okay. So now there is no more x is remaining. So this is the remainder. Okay. So minus 3 plus minus, sorry, k minus 3 plus k means how much? K minus 3 plus k means k plus k, 2k. 2k minus 3. Now, the question it is given that x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. It is given the question. That means we can take x minus 1 is a factor. So if it is a factor, what's the remainder? We should get the remainder 0 that we learnt. Now, x minus 1 is a factor. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. It means, what is the meaning? This 2k minus 3 equal to 0. That is the meaning. Here we are getting a remainder 2k minus 3. That remainder we can equate with the 0 to get the value of k. I hope you understood. Okay. It means this 2k minus 3 equal to 0. So how we will get this one? Just we did the solving. Okay. That is 2k minus 3 equal to 0. How the 0 comes? Because it is given that x minus 1 is a factor. So, we can take the 0 as the remainder here. Okay. So, 2k minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, what is the value of k? K is equal to 3 by 2. We are getting after solving. Okay. Now, we can solve this question direct. Assuming that x minus 1 is a factor. Okay. This we learned this method already. And it is a factor means p of 1 equal to 0. It is given that p of 1 kx square minus 3x plus k. X minus 1 is a factor of this one. No. So what is the remainder? Remainder is getting 0. We learned p of 1. Now the remainder is p of 1. P of 1 equal to 0. Therefore, because x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Because x minus 1 is a factor. Therefore, p of 1 equal to 0. Now applying p of 1. P of 1 implies k into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k equal to 0. We are substituting x equal to 1. Now, so how much it is k into 1 square? K minus 3 plus k equal to 0. K plus k, 2k. 2k minus 3 equal to 0. So k is equal to how much? 3 by 2. Now, 2k minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 3 by 2. In both the cases, the first case and second case, We got the value k equal to 3 by 2. Okay.